We are headed to
Potawatomi.
Potawatomi. Are we gonna gamble today? Or are you gonna gamble?
You're not gonna gamble anything. You have a small child that you have to attend to.
Why would you say that?
Unless you want to lock him in the
Awesome!
room and go downstairs.
It's the biggest.
Oh, look at all
We're
these.
not Potawatomi.
This is
We're at the
addicts.
casino.
Gamblers.
This is where I wanted to be, at the casino.
Oh.
We're at the casino.
Yeah, we are, huh?
I told you we're headed to the casino.
What do you press? So we're gonna go in. Hi. And we're gonna be checking in. It's like super pretty in here and elegant. It's like a restaurant over here.
Straight around the corner. No, that's a soft for you. Yeah.
So we're going up to 17. You gotta slide the key.
Oh, yeah.
The Wi-Fi today is dolphins. We're here. This is like such a luxurious hotel, isn't it? It's like so pretty. 807. Yeah.
Oh, the door's red.
They are red.
Right here.
We're in a different room. We have color this
He's still going. Over here. So, when you walk in, there's a big mirror.
Yeah. Party.
In the bathroom. The shower. So pretty big. Full side, so nice. The mirror. And they have like one of those flip mirrors, like for zoom. They have like the private door for the bathroom. What are you doing? I love this mirror. You could check what you look like before you go down to the slots. They have their little coffee, a little fridge you could store food in. They have a little desk you could do work on. The big screen. 4 different drawer set things. The big beds. What size are these beds, babe? Hello? These beds are really comfortable. I think they're like queen. Hey! And they give you like... Did you just draw this?
Huh?
It's like an evil picture from a scary movie.
Ow!
And then the view.
Bite!
Ay! They have battling swords. Pillows. So this is the overview of the whole room. They have a little chair here. The bathroom, the big mirror, 2 big beds, the queen. Baby, how much does these rooms run a night? Julian.
On the door.
Oh, is it? Okay, we'll check right now. I like at the view outside. It's like the best part of it. It's so pretty. And that was it for the hotel room. Say bye, babe.
Oh, you gotta check the door.
Say bye.
Bye.